All right, today we have the GasGas out in the desert, and we've got the Speedbox installed, as you guys have seen in another video that I did on the Speedbox. This basically allows me to take the limits off, the speed limits off of this Class 1 e-bike. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a speed run and test this Speedbox out. And I'm going to do 3 runs. The first run, I'm going to go completely no speed limit on the bike and just see how fast I can get it going top speed and see what that run looks like. Then I'm going to do the normal North American standard 20 miles per hour, which I think is like 32 kilometers an hour. And then I'm going to do a third run that's going to be the European standard, which is like, I think it's 25 kilometers, which is around 16 miles an hour roughly. So I'm going to do those 3 runs. It's going to be half-mile runs, and just kind of see what the results are and give you guys some feedback on the Speedbox, whether or not it's worth it. There is one thing that I need to tell you guys about with the Speedbox. As far as like the recording goes, I have a couple setups here. The Speedbox changes the speed that the motor thinks the bike's actually going, right? That's how it makes it go faster, essentially takes the limits off. So when I was running this before, it seemed like it was right around 11, 12 miles an hour that it topped out when I was going, as fast as I could. I was probably actually doing about 30 miles an hour. So what I've done to get true speed is I've got a Garmin hub speed sensor mounted, and my Garmin, which will pick up true speed, so I'll have the true speed of the bike. So that's how I'm going to measure the speed. But I'm anxious to get this out there and see what we can do with the Speedbox. And so let's get out on the road and see what it does. Okay, so I'm just going to explain the setup a little bit here. So on this run, I'm going to go ahead and set the Speedbox for, we're going to go with the European standard. So I'm going to go into the settings, and I'm going to change the speed limit. This is in miles per hour. So 16 miles per hour is about 25 kilometers an hour. So we're going to leave it there. So tuning's on, and this is the screen I'm running in. Right here, it kind of gives me some stats. Then over here, I'm going to have my my distance, my speed, and all that on the Garmin from the speed sensor on the front wheel. So that's my setup. So let's do this run, and then we'll change the settings, do the US standard, change the settings again to unlimited. So let's get that going. All right, run number 1, European standard, limited to 16. Let's see what I can do. And right there, I am struggling. I got it all as hard as I can pedal. Oh my gosh. I feel sorry for those guys in Europe. Oh my gosh. Well, one thing I'll say is you guys got to be super strong. I guess that's good. But man, oh, it's hard. Wow. All right, approaching our turnaround. When it kicks back in, it really kicks back in. You could feel it. Just checking for cars. Whew. It takes off fine. But then, right just before 20, oh, there it is right there. There it is. It's off. I'm pedaling a 50-pound bike as hard as I can. Shoot. I can't go any faster. All right, European. You guys I feel sorry for you. Either that or you're super fit and strong, because that was just hard, really hard. So that was European standard, limited to 16. I'm gonna flip it up to the US standard, 20 miles an hour, which is about 32K, and we're gonna see what we can do. All right, we just finished European standard. I'm gonna go ahead and tune it. So we're just gonna make it, it's just around 31, I think is, well, we're gonna make it 20 miles an hour, sorry. Right about, we'll make it 19. It won't stay right on 20, so we'll just make it 19 and go with that. That's pretty close anyway. And we'll see what that does. So we're from 16 miles an hour to 19 miles an hour. It's only 3 miles an hour difference, but that would be, you know, 25K to almost 32K right there in terms of European, you know, kilometer sort of standards. So let's see what we get out of this. All right, 20 miles an hour. Okay, well, yeah, it was a little better. That's it right there. So let's see. Man, 22, I might hit 22, but it's getting harder and harder right here. I can't go any faster. Standard, it was better, but man, 20 miles an hour, it stops. So I'm gonna record these, make sure I got them captured. I've captured like 6 runs. This last one, unlimited. Gonna open it up and see what it'll do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in unlimited. All right, let's change the settings again. We're gonna go to unlimited, so that's unlimited speed right there. So it's just gonna boost me as fast as I can go on this bike. And I've already done, you see I've already done a run. I already hit 32.4. So I don't know if I'm gonna hit that again. I'm starting to get tired. But I'm gonna give it a good run. See if I can get close to that again. But we're ready for another run. All right, unlimited run. Let me get my screen set. Get everything going here. Start the clock. All right, here we go. No limit. All right, already well, okay, right now, way better already. Shoot, see if I can, I'm in the top gear, like, that's it right there, pushing it. Still, that limits the bike right there. Wow, all right, it's good, but still, boost all the way up to 30 for sure at the limit of the bike. We downshift, get myself turned around. Speedbox. I mean, I'm glad I have it in here. Like, I'm still like, I was pushing hard, but I was going way faster pushing hard. And I can go a lot further, a lot faster. So, and I can tune it wherever I want it. If I want European standard, US standard, whatever I need to do, depending on where I'm riding. I've got the flexibility. I've got some good diagnostic stuff going on. So yeah, I'm happy with it. I recommend it. This is in the Yamaha motor on this GasGas. So yeah, it works really good. So I'm gonna wrap up this video, and let me know what you guys think, if you guys would get one of these or not.